Ranger Peeps! Yeah, I make stuff. Hello, I'm Ranger Peeps, and happy Halloween to you all. And today, I have a very spooky command block tutorial for you. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys, yep, that's you watching the video. I'm going to show you how to make a ghost in Minecraft Bedrock Edition, or Minecraft PE, whatever you want to call it. Today, with command blocks. This is pure vanilla and no mods whatsoever. So, let me demonstrate. Let's see, we have our spawn ghost egg. And, let's just tap it on the ground. And whoa, boom, right there, we have our ghost. And you can go into survival. And nothing happens, really. He's friendly. Unless we try and hit him. And he has possessed us now. You can see, you're poisoned. He has possessed us, and he's eating away at our soul, pretty much. And we're good. And yes, it is just an armor stand. But we talked about that. You saw nothing. Anyway, guys, that is my ghost in Minecraft Bedrock Edition with commands. So now, let me show you on how to make it. 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, now let's get started with the tutorial. So first, you're going to need a command block. So let's do /give at p command underscore and block. Sorry for any background noise. But once you've done that, you're going to want to place down your command block, facing up, up, up. And you're going to want to have it set to repeat, unconditional, always active. And this is the text when you use a spawn egg, and then it kills the wolf, sadly. But so you want to do /kill at e, name equals, and don't forget these little like colon slashy thingies. Don't forget those. They're very, very important. Otherwise, it will not work. So then you can name it whatever you want. I could spawn ghost because it's like spawn egg, So you've done that. You want to set repeat unconditional always active. Then place a chain conditional. Make sure it's conditional, always active with this command at someone's armor stand named ghost. On top of that, you want to place a chain conditional always active with summon B named base 3 blocks above this. Now, yes, you may have guessed already, but it's not really like my own AI flying system. It's just a bee, but it works really well. And the possession thing, like when it possesses you, isn't really intended actually, but it is a little feature of the bee that I've made into the ghost. So yeah. So it's done that. It's chain conditional always active. I'm gonna go down here. And then bam, place a chain conditional always active comes to the side of this. That kills spawn ghost. So once you have done that, you have now made the ghost spawning bits and bobs right there. Right here is the spawning stuff. And now here is some of the more mechanical stuff. So around back here, push down our repeat unconditional always active with this command inside of it. And this basically just teleports the armor stand named ghost to the bee named base. So let's come around the front. And right next to that, have a repeat unconditional always active. That is a replace item command, which basically makes the skull on top of the armor stand. So this is part of the looks of the ghost. Same thing with this one, except this makes the chainmail chest plate. That makes it look like it's ruined robes. Like it's tattered, that kind of ghost. So you want to do the replace entity, all you name is ghost, blah, blah, blah. This basically makes the chainmail chest plate. Finally, we only have 2 more commands. 2 more. So first, repeat an unconditional and always active command block. And these command blocks just make the armor stand and the bee invisible, so that you don't have a bee flying around. So that makes this command right here, unconditional always active, makes the bee invisible. And for our final command, but a very important one, repeat unconditional always active on top of those, which is just effect at E, name equals ghost, invisibility, which makes the armor stand invisible. And bam, there we have it. what you can do is to go into your inventory. You want to take a wolf spawn egg, place down your anvil, damaged anvil or very damaged anvil. I like my anvils nice and damaged. Enter them. Take your wolf spawn egg. I asked the previous one. And you want to name it Spawn Ghost. Nope. Go. Spawn Ghost. And then we have your Spawn Ghost. And you can tap it. Wolf dies. And it does come up right here. And bam. There's our most beautiful, most wonderful, spectacular ghost in Minecraft Bedrock with commands. So wrap it up, guys, and I shall see you in the next video, probably next month. Happy Halloween, everybody, and goodbye. Bye.